Rechargeable all-in-one body groomer and trimmer with unprecedented cutting performance versus previous generations of Braun beard trimmers. 7-in-1 beard, face and hair trimmer for men. Includes Gillette Fusion5 ProGlide razor for clean shaving. Lifetime sharp blades, 13 length settings for ultimate styling precision. NiMH battery for 80 minutes of trimming with 8H charge. Designed and engineered in Germany by Braun. Great Christmas, birthday anniversary gifts for him. Perfect gift for husband, boyfriend, dad, and all the men in your life. Long beard trimming. Maintain longer beard or hairstyles with the 11-20 mm comb. Short to medium beards. The short beard comb helps you maintain short to medium beards, 0.5 to 10 mm, and stubbles. Hair clipping. Cut your hair to the precise length you need, from 0.5 to 21 mm, with the two dual-purpose adjustable combs. Contour edging and detail trimming. Create accurate lines edges with the beard trimmer head. Tackle particularly small areas with the detail trimmer head. Top reviews from the United States. Great for women. So comfortable. Didn't rip or pull any hairs whatsoever. Super pleasant experience.